So, kneel down. Sabi ko, kneel down. Para yung back nyo, magkaanong injury yan.
Sinasabi ko lagi yan, sir. May mo ko, sir, umuwi.
Oh,
Kwan, sir,
yung
in-hotel.
pagkakaroon nyo ng back injury, hindi biro yan. Kaya, dapat kneel down, sir. Kneel down. Sir, kneel down. Pag sinabing kneel down, luhod. Bend your knees. O sige, suot. Huwag nyo nang hintayin na sabihan ko kayo. Kasi pinakita ko na kanina yan sa inyo yung demo eh. Kasi yun ang hinahanap niya. No? Yun, sir.
Yan.
Kasi nga, minsan kailangan ng tama. Kagaya nyo. Oh, sige, dito tayo? Sige. Konti lang naman. Adjust yung ano, muna.
Adjustin nyo yung strap.
Straps.
Hilahin ang pagdok.
Yung mga pasipag ka ng hila.
5,000 yun.
5,000 yan.
May jack. Kay Willie lang mo, kay Willie.
Ma'am, dito ka ma'am. Parang dito ma'am. 1 minute and 11 seconds.
Lalo.
Ha? Pinakita na yan sa inyo kanina, ha? 1 minute and 25. Done. Very good. 1 and 25. Done. Say ano? Number ano? Number 4. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Hindi mo kasi inaayos pag ano eh. Kanina eh. Okay. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Done. Very good. Mamaya, visor down. Lahat ng visor naka-down, ha? Okay, very good. Yun, no? Ha? Ano kunin mo? Helmet, nandiyan lang yung helmet. Sige, mamaya na. Sige, suotin mo na yung trouser mo. Ayun, so 2 minutes and 15 seconds na dali natin. Okay, group 1. Nasaan ang group 1? Yun, oh, group 1, oh. And group 2. Ayun, oh. Group 2, oh. Okay. So, sige, ha. May request yung ating photographer. So, kneel down, kneel down. Yan. 6 seconds. Sige, i-adjust hanggang sa pinaka-ano, sir. Para pag-shoot mo. Sir, ilabas mo lahat yan. Yan. Roll. Kung paano yung ginawa niyong ano, pagde-demo. See? Pag hindi nyo inaayos maigi yan, mahirapan kayo. The more na nagmamadali ka, the more na madidelay ka. Yan, very good. 38 seconds. Very good. Okay. 45 seconds. Okay, 1 minute. Sige sir, swing call. One minute and 17. Sige. Ano muna lang yan, sir? Sir, strap muna lang yan. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa ano. BA na tayo, sir. BA na. Dito. Punta sa BA. Yan. Sige. Inspection ng shoulder strap. Kung maluwag na. Very good. Waist strap. Nasaan ang waist strap? Ayusin mo maigi yung waist strap na hindi magkakabuhol-buhol. Yan. Very good. Okay. So, yan. Okay, ha? So, manage to perform the overhead method. Sige. Hawak sa back plates. Tungo lang. Very good. Sige. Tandaan lang. Hawak. Sige. Hawak sa end of strap. Dalawa. Hanapin mo yung end of strap. Yan. Yan. Okay, very good. Hila. Very good. Sige, yung waist strap para dumikit. Sige, okay lang yan. Sige, ano mo na ng waist strap. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay? So, yan ha. So, helmet. Okay, and then yung ating face mask, susut lang natin yan pagka nandun na tayo sa seats of the fire. No? Para hindi masayang agad-agad yung kanyang okay? Parang! Guys, lapit ha, tutok ha. Next! Sir, standby dyan, sir. Standby dyan. Okay, fire out. Fire out. Tama na. Harap. Sir, half step lang ha. Half step. Mali. Fire out. Half step. Lapit ng konti. Lapit. Okay, stop. Ma'am. Ma'am, dito ka. Yan, wala pa. Atak! Oh, stop! Tama na! Okay, out! Nasa kabila ka, para hindi ka mahirapan. Okay, tama na! Stop! Sir, sa likod ka! Adjust! Sige, attack! Attack! Okay. Jet stream, very good. Up and down. Okay, fire out. Okay, stop, tama na, stop. Stop na, tama na, balik na. Attack. Up and down, very good. Side by side. Okay, wala pa, hindi pa fire out. Sige pa, patama mo yung tubig. Okay, fire out. Lapitan konti. Okay, palit. Okay, attack. Okay, balik. Okay, next. Okay, attack. Attack. Hoy, attack. Half step, half step, half step. Hawak ng lalaki, hindi babae. Sige. Tama na, up and down. Sir, hawakan mo maigi yung hose, ha? Okay. Attack! Lalaki, hindi yung parang babating-bating. Sige. Up and down. Up and down muna, up and down. Yeah, side by side. Circular. Okay, fire out. Okay, group 2. Group 2. Group 2 palit. Group 2. Sir, visor down, ha? Okay. Okay, ready to attack, ha? Attack! Okay, fire out, withdraw. Sir, back again. Full fog. Yan, very good. O, tama na. Huwag na kayo pumunta dyan. Okay, attack. Sir, itutulak mo lang pababa. Huwag dyan, yun, sir. Sir, di kasi kinununood eh. Tignan nyo yung ginagawa. Yan, hila. Okay, very good. Fire out. Okay, tama na. Stop. Palit. Attack. Up and down, up and down. Sabing up and down. Side by side. Circular. Full fog. Okay, next. Tama na. Okay, attack. Okay, hila. Okay, up and down. Side by side. Circular. Okay, fire out. Next. Okay, attack. Half step, half step. Okay, hila. Yan, very good. Up and down. Patayin ng apoy. Tignan mo ng apoy kung nasaan. Okay, fire out. Tulak ulit. Very good. Isa na lang, dalawa na lang. Okay. Okay, attack. Solid, hila! Okay, fire out. Nakaabot na kayo dyan, layo nyo na. Attack, ma'am, attack. Up and down. Side by side. Okay, hose down. Very good.